We've uncovered this Yorkshire stone wall. It's about a metre high by about 3 or 4 metres long. We've found this old piece of guttering which we're going to lay in the rocks, ideal for bees and other insects. We've got this old Belfast sink which we're going to be digging into the ground, getting level with the ground so toads and frogs can access. Putting this pea gravel in the guttering so the bees can access the water. I've installed a mini solar pump, so it's filling the guttering with water for the bees. Created a nice slope so the water's going downhill. Now we need to just put some Yorkshire stone on top and a few plants in, and we're getting there. I've covered over all the guttering and left tiny spaces in between so the bees and insects can access the guttering to feed on the water, to drink the water. I've put rocks all around the Belfast sink and wood, and I've put some plants in too. Put a piece of wood going into the pond, and it just goes down slightly so toads can climb in and out easily. Such an easy idea to help the wildlife.